Hi there, I'm Anisha Go, and I'm the Vice President of Marketing for Weight Busters Digital Diner. In this presentation, I'm going to go over how you can increase your monthly revenue and streamline your ops in under 60 days using Digital Diner software. Sounds amazing, right? Well, just so you know I'm not making any of this up, I'm going to show you a few live case studies. First, let's start with the Buffalo Wing Factory, a Northern Virginia multi-unit sit-down customer. Before working with us, they were handling carry-out orders via telephone. The carry-out business was good. It was really good revenue, but was causing issues with the front-of-house staff who always seemed to be on the phone answering phone calls instead of taking care of in-house guests. Furthermore, customers were often getting busy signals or hung up on after being on hold, causing Buffalo Wing Factory to miss out on a lot of revenue. They were also seeing too many order mistakes due to human error while taking orders over the phone. After implementing our online ordering system, their sales skyrocketed from $17,000 a month to $40,000 a month. The front-of-house staff was freed up to handle in-house customers, and the mistakes with orders virtually disappeared. Next up, we have the All-American Steakhouse, a DC area multi-unit sit-down customer. They were a tough nut to crack because they didn't take reservations and they only have wait lines on weekends. They felt that they wouldn't see an ROI with software that they could only use a couple of times per week. However, using our Jump the Line feature really intrigued them. Now, Jump the Line is something similar to Easy Pass or Santa Pass, where people will pay a premium to get to the front of the line. Within 1 day of utilizing this Jump the Line feature, they recuperated their costs and are now averaging close to $1,000 a month in new revenue. And now with over 3,000 customers in their database, they will soon be using our SMS marketing retention tool. Next up, there's the Busy Bee Cafe, an Atlanta staple for Southern cooking. They're an extremely popular restaurant where people have been known to wait up to 2 hours for a table. You can often see lines going down the block due to the small size of their waiting area. In fact, on several occasions, they were closed down by the fire marshals. Before using Digital Diner, they would use pen and paper and a few buzzers to manage their wait lines. They lost a ton of revenue from patrons leaving due to the long waits, and even more from the expensive buzzers being lost or stolen. Staff would often waste time searching for customers in the crowds. Since implementing our wait line technology, customers come in, they register, and then they can vacate the lobby until they're sent an SMS that their table is ready. This has completely changed their business. No more mobbed lobby, no huge wait lines, expensive buzzers, or unhappy customers. Oh, and that $8,000 increase in revenue doesn't hurt one bit. So now we have the Bob and Cork. The Bob and Cork is a very popular sit-down restaurant in Clarksville, Virginia. The restaurant only has 8 tables, so turnaround time deeply impacts their revenue. Before using Digital Diner, the average table check was $33. But after implementing our pre-ordering feature, which enables the customer to order ahead while they're in the wait line and when they get seated, the food is ready and immediately brought to the table. Now the average check size is close to $46. Those dollars quickly add up. Next, we have the Universal Joint in Lawrenceville, Georgia. Before using Digital Diner, the restaurant knew they had a major problem and they were losing customers and revenue every week. They used a handwritten list for their, quote, wait line, and it took 5 or more minutes sometimes for a host to track down people in the restaurant when it was their turn to be seated. The chaos caused people to even leave without being seated and without telling the hostess, so even more time was wasted. The owner actually told us that they spent more time trying to track down people than welcoming people and seating them. It was just a huge mess. However, since using Digital Diner, everything has completely changed. They're now organized, they're efficient, and they use both the wait line and the SMS messaging feature. They realized how much they could make by pushing out targeted offers to their customers that they already have in their database during non-peak times. This alone has brought in incremental revenue to the tune of $3,700 monthly. So is this presentation for you? Well, let's find out. Are you a restaurant owner, a GM, or a decision maker looking to streamline your operations and dramatically increase your revenue without spending a fortune on ad dollars? Perhaps you know you need to use technology to not get left behind, but you're not sure what to use because there's just so many options. Are you frustrated with third parties owning your customer data and you can't intelligently market to them or provide them with personalized service? Well, maybe you don't know how to create new revenue streams from your existing customer base. Are you looking to leverage the popularity of social media to advertise without the high cost? Or maybe you're still using paper and pens and buzzers. Your lobby is overcrowded and it's turning off potential customers. You have to deal with consistently replacing lost or stolen pagers. Or maybe your restaurant takes reservations and your bottom line is getting killed by no-shows. You're using services like OpenTable and you're frustrated of paying anywhere from $1 to $2.50 per reservation cover. Finally, perhaps you just want to do online ordering, but you've heard nightmare stories about services like Grubhub and Uber Eats that charge margin-killing commissions. Well, if none of these apply to you, then congratulations, you are super successful and you don't need anyone's help. But if any of these did ring a bell, then keep listening because we're going to explain to you just how we can help. So now here is the core concept, and if you understand this, everything else is going to make sense. In order to increase your income between $2,000 to $24,000 per month, you need multiple profitable revenue streams, streamlined operations, customer data collection tools, and the ability to intelligently and inexpensively leverage the data for marketing purposes. Weightbusters Digital Diner is the only software that enables all of these things. So just for some quick background on Weightbusters and one of our founders, Shane Go is our CPO. He holds degrees from the University State of New York, Defense Language Institute, and is a proud U.S. Navy veteran. From busboy to waiter, delivery driver, host, bartender, and manager, he's been heavily involved in the restaurant industry. While in the Navy, he founded a company called A La Carte Express. They delivered fast food to military members on campus who didn't have cars, which was approximately 3,500 people. He negotiated discounts with the fast food restaurants, marked up the menu, and charged a delivery fee. The business was bringing in close to $1,000 a day, and he sold that business when he left California. While at the NSA, he moonlighted building websites for restaurants back in 1996. He had enough restaurants to create a guide and then sold that guide to digital cities. From there, he spent a good 20 years building highly visible and highly used products at AOL, Verizon, and Concur. In 2016, he co-founded Weightbusters and has spent the last 2 years building, tweaking, and piloting Digital Diner. So that's fantastic news for us, but what about for you? Well, the bottom line is he understands a lot of the industry pain points and knows how to deliver a well-researched and proven commodity that resonates with its target audience. Used correctly, it streamlines your operations and drives material new revenue that will change the way you do business for life. So here's how our 4-step program to measurable success works. If you correctly apply the 4 key elements of our software, Waitline, reservations, online ordering, social media, and SMS marketing, you will see your profits soar. Now, let's get into the weeds a little bit. So, step 1 is to optimize the Waitline experience. We set up for you or with you your Waitline widgets and then add them to your website, Facebook Messenger, Facebook business page, an in-house kiosk, SMS, and Alexa. The benefits of this include the ability to do all of the following, including eliminating overcrowded lobbies that cause walkouts, enabling users to get in line from SMS or Alexa, capturing valuable customer data that you can use again, just to name a few. Now, here are some examples of the Waitline experience, and these are the experience on a mobile website, your Facebook Messenger chatbot right there in the middle, and an in-house kiosk. On here, we have from left to right examples of the Waitline experience in SMS, showing the features you can add when entering a line via SMS, and also the experience using Alexa. Step 2 is to optimize the reservations experience. We set up for you or with you your reservation widget and then add them to all of the previously mentioned channels. The benefits of this include eliminating costly third-party reservation apps that charge you a per-cover fee, enabling users to make reservations from SMS or Alexa, and creating new revenue with the Select a Table feature, just to name a few. Now here, from left to right, are examples of the reservation experience on a mobile website, Facebook Messenger chatbot, SMS, and Alexa. On top of the aforementioned benefits, here are two features that save you money and create a new material revenue stream. First, we have the ability to set up reservation deposits, and then second, you see there is a table selection feature. Step 3 is to provide online ordering to your customers. This is a critical feature to maximize your profits. Research shows that 68% of consumers will go to another restaurant if you don't have online ordering on your website or social media channels. Now, we'll set up for you or with you your menus and then add them to the website and all of the previously mentioned channels. The benefits to this include, and this is just a few, the ability to add a tremendously profitable revenue stream from your existing customers, to offer pre-order, carry-out, or delivery, and to enable users to order food from SMS or Alexa. Now, here is some examples from left to right. These are the examples of offering pre-ordering to your customers when they enter a wait line via SMS. Unlike any other online ordering solutions, our menus are tailored completely to match your website, your brand colors, and your theme. Now, step 4 is to drive new business using social media sharing. Consumers value a recommendation from a friend or a family member when making an entertainment or purchasing decision. Our robust marketing tool incentivizes customers to advertise and promote your restaurant to their most valuable assets, the people who know and trust their opinions, driving new customers through your door. Now, step 5 is how to keep customers coming back for more. Unlike most digital marketing efforts, SMS marketing has an extremely low cost and high return. With Weightbusters, you can send targeting marketing to your customers via SMS. We facilitate two-way personalized communication before the guest arrives, during their meal, and then after they leave. So now, to summarize, I'm hoping by now you can see that if you apply wait line optimization, reservations optimization, online ordering, social media, and SMS marketing, you are going to have a winning formula that results in a revenue lift of between $2,000 and $24,000 in monthly recurring revenue in 60 days or less. So now you have two options before you. You can do this yourself, which is going to be the fragmented, expensive, and completely disconnected option. Or you can work with us at Weightbusters and have a true all-in-one solution at the fraction of a cost. So, who is this right for? Who is our product right for? Again, Digital Diner is going to be the right solution for you if you are a restaurant owner in any area, a GM, or a decision maker in any type of establishment. This is for you if you're looking to streamline operations and create new revenue streams and dramatically increase your revenue. So just a reminder that we are doing this now with live customers. I'm going to do a quick recap of all of our case studies. So right here we have the Buffalo Wing Factory. They began using online ordering and profits went from $17,000 to $40,000 a month. The All-American Steakhouse Jump the Line feature gained them incremental revenue to the tune of $1,000 a month. The Busy Bee Cafe uses our wait line widget. They eliminated their crowded lobbies, long wait lines, and increased their monthly income by $8,000 per month. The Bob and Cork began using our pre-ordering feature and increased each check size from $33 to $46 per month. Universal Joint gained organization by using our Waitline feature and began targeting offers to their customers with our SMS marketing feature to the tune of $3,700 per month. So now here's a quick summary of the benefits in using Digital Diner. Generate new revenue streams in online ordering, with online ordering, Jump the Line, and the Select a Table feature. Streamline operations and improve customer experience with Waitline, reservations, and table management tools. Reduce CPA costs with social media sharing and SMS marketing. Now, to see a demo of how all of this and more can be applied to your unique situation, please click on the Request a Demo button right next to this video and set up some time to discuss all of the features that we have to offer. So now if you'd like to continue and get more details, I'm going to go ahead and dive into all the features you will get with our product suite. So first, let's start with online ordering. Restaurants have seen a huge lift in order size when they transition to our online ordering platform. And here's a lot of the reasons why. First, we have the ability to create a customizable and colorful menu. The ability to add menus and ordering to your website, SMS, Facebook, and Alexa. The ability to offer delivery, pickup, and pre-ordering of meals. The ability to cross-sell. And the ability to create promo codes, just to name a few. So not only are we an omni-channel platform, enabling your guests to make orders from a variety of channels, but our menus are extremely mobile-friendly, which matters significantly since 86% of users will be on their mobile devices. So next, we're going to discuss our wait line features. We believe that we have the most robust solution when it comes to managing your wait lines, and here's why. A customizable widget to embed on your website, SMS, Facebook business page, and Alexa. Different widget views such as wait line, no wait line, or a closed view. Multiple wait lines based on party size. Location finder. Two-way SMS communication between a restaurant and customer. Cancel no-show alerts. Again, we believe that making it easy for customers to access your wait line is key. We also make the entire flow completely intuitive and valuable to the end user. So next, let's talk about our reservation feature that includes a customizable widget, the option to select a table when making a reservation, two-way SMS between the restaurant and the customer, pre-assigned tables, check-in, and the ability to create reservation deposits, and that's just to name a few. Reservations must be accessible on multiple channels so that the customer can make a decision 24/7. The end result is streamlined for both the customer and the restaurant when the reservation is made. So next up, our table management section. Right here, the table management solution is completely second to none and includes the ability to create seating charts, create server sections, server rotations, occupied, on hold, needs cleaning, and available statuses, exceeded average seat time alerts, section seated alerts, and so much more. And last but not least, our guest profile feature gives you a microscopic view of your customers' behaviors, likes, and dislikes. The more behavioral data you obtain, the greater your ability to execute intelligent, targeted marketing. Our dashboard feature includes the ability to, number one, track guest behavior and other KPIs. Number two, get the data you need on demand. Number three, collect guest behavior, analyze it, and then create a list of action items for managers to tackle or to assign to staff members. And finally, number four, it's available 24/7 from any device. Finally, our marketing tools and their features include the ability to incentivize people to share your offers and brand on their timelines, create multiple visually appealing campaigns, deliver these campaigns via SMS on your site during wait line or reservation flow, send out on-demand or activity-triggered SMS campaigns, target users based on historical behaviors, and invite your customers to a loyalty program. Now, to see a demo of how all of this and more can be applied to your unique situation, please click on the Request a Demo button next to this video and set up some time to see for yourself. And just as a reminder, we offer a 30-day free trial, free setup, and a money-back guarantee if you don't see results in 60 days. So finally, here are some frequently asked questions about us and our product. So number one, who are you guys anyway? Well, we're a group of ex-restaurant employees and techies who have worked at multiple restaurants such as AOL, Verizon, Fannie Mae, Fishbowl, and Concur. We are dedicated to helping restaurants drive more revenue and streamline their day-to-day operations. Now, why should we buy from you and what makes you so special? Well, we're the only all-in-one hospitality, front of house, marketing, and online ordering software in the marketplace today. And our solutions are completely proven, and they've helped over 230,000 people who have actually used our product. So now, what are the next steps? Well, sign up for a quick demo with one of our product specialists to talk about whether Digital Diner can work for you and your restaurant. What exactly do I get when I sign up? Well, you get access to all of the following features: waitline management, reservation management, table management, online ordering, including takeout, delivery, and pre-ordering, SMS marketing, social media marketing, and a loyalty program. What if I'm not technical? Well, don't worry about it. We have built this product so that anyone and everyone can use it. You don't need to be technical to experience results. Just follow the process that we help you lay out. Are there any long-term contracts? No, you are going to be paying month to month. You can, however, pay semi-annually or annually to get a discount. Is this hard to set up? No, it's actually very, very easy. We help you get set up and comfortable with the platform, and then it's pretty much on autopilot. We also have a huge library of videos that detail every feature of the product. So what results will I actually get from this? Well, if you follow the process, you're going to see streamlined operations, increased revenue, and happier customers almost immediately. Will this integrate with my POS? Well, we integrate with over 85% of the most popular POS platforms, including Micros, Positouch, Aloha, Brink, Heartland, Northstar, Veloce, and so many more. So finally, what's included in the support service? Well, not only do we supply hands-on implementation, such as setting up your seating chart, creating your widgets, and building your online ordering menu, we also offer 24/7 email support and 9-to-5 workweek phone support. We are going to be here for you every step of the process. Thanks so much for listening. I'm Anisha Go, the Vice President of Marketing for Digital Diner, and we welcome you to the Weightbusters family.